One most important lesson that I learned from the webinar is all about analyzing well the background of my future partner before entering to marriage. And also, we must assure the relationship is safe at dapat pinag-iisipan na mabuti at maraming beses bago tayo mag-engage into marriage. Next is the two surprising facts that I learned from the webinar. First is yung pagiging applicable po pala na marriage proxy, particularly sa bansang Hong Kong. Next is Philippines na lang po pala ang natitirang bansa na hindi sumusuporta or hindi applicable ang divorce. Next is the three values derived from the webinar. First is the importance of family, wherein the family code emphasizes the importance of family as the foundations of Filipino society. Next is the having the knowledge of our own rights and responsibilities, wherein the webinar provides the information on our own rights and responsibilities as a spouse, parent, child, and other family members. And lastly, the appreciation for Filipino culture and tradition, wherein the family code is rooted in Filipino culture and tradition. The webinar gave us a deeper understanding of these values and how they shape Filipino families. Next is my four personal commitments after witnessing the webinar. First is raising awareness about how important to understand our family code. Second is strengthening the family relationships. Third, yung pagtatanim sa puso at isipan natin na ang marriage is a special contract and also a permanent union. And lastly, yung pag-iisip na mabuti at maraming marami pang beses bago tayo mag-engage into marriage. Yun lamang po. Thank you.